Pakistan has launched one brazen attack after another. It has targeted cities, civilian infrastructure, people's homes, gurdwaras, even a Christian school. Many innocent lives have borne the brunt of this barbarity. Since the 7th of May, at least 13 civilians have lost their lives, including children. 56 others have been injured. Which are the worst hit areas and how is Pakistan targeting civilians? Here's a report.
India's Operation Sindoor may have destroyed terror centers, but Pakistan's response is this: single-handedly escalating the situation, targeting military sites and civilians, initiating unprovoked artillery shelling along the line of control, and openly firing at civilians. Last night, when Islamabad launched its brazen aerial assault across northern and western India, it targeted cities and civilian infrastructure along with military establishments. At least 36 Indian locations were targeted, from Jammu and Leh to Rajasthan and Gujarat. In Jammu and Kashmir, Tangdhar, Uri, Poonch, Mendhar and Rajouri were the worst hit. Fortunately, there were no casualties in last night's attack. But Islamabad has been using mortars and heavy-caliber artillery to target these and other areas of Kashmir, like Kupwara and Baramulla. In heavy cross-border shelling by Pakistan since May 7th, 13 civilians have lost their lives, including children. 56 others have been injured. All the casualties have occurred in Poonch, which has seen its most intense shelling in decades. Shahpur, Mankot and Krishna Ghati are some of the worst-hit villages in the Poonch district. 44 of the injuries are in Poonch, while 12 people were injured in the Uri sector.
हमें लगा कि नीचे साइड से दूर से फायरिंग हुई है। हमें नहीं पता, हम थे इस घर में, तब तक हम गए नीचे घर में, मेरी आंटी का घर है, वो बोलने लगे, मुझे हमारे बड़े बोलने लगे आप जाओ नीचे वाले घर में। हम गए उस घर में, वहाँ पे तब तक आके गोलाबारी हमारे एक यहाँ पे एक घर पे इस पे भी पड़ा, इस पे भी पड़ा, तो हमें कुछ भी नहीं हमने निकाला। कोई इतना कपड़ा जो हमने पहना है बस यही है हमारे पास, और इसके सिवा कुछ नहीं है हमारे पास।
हमने बोला गोले शुरू हो गए, अब उठो। हमने मतलब कुछ अपना मतलब देखना है कुछ। जिस वक्त दूसरा भी लगा आके, तीसरा भी लगा आके, मतलब बच्चे डर गए। फिर हमने ऐसे मतलब ज़मीन के नीचे से ऐसे होके हम रोड पे पहुंचे। फिर रात को कहाँ जाएंगे सर, फिर झाड़ियों में पत्थरों में मतलब इधर रहे। कोई मतलब सेफ्टी बैंकर नहीं है, कोई सिस्टम नहीं है इधर। हमारी ज़िंदगी तो कुछ नहीं है, हमारी ज़िंदगी तो बिल्कुल दाव पे है।
What's worse is this: Pakistan has targeted villages far from military assets. It has also targeted religious communities in its brutal attack, like the Sikh community. Islamabad has hit several homes of Sikh people and targeted gurudwaras. 3 people from the community died when a gurudwara was attacked by the raining munitions. Meanwhile, 2 school children lost their lives and their parents were injured when a Pakistani shell struck behind a Christian school in Poonch. In the Karna sector in the Kupwara district, artillery rounds landed near residential zones. Most civilians were relocated on Wednesday itself by our border forces. But families in Karna are bearing the brunt of the Pakistani attacks. Like in the Terbuni village, which is home to about 500 residents. In this village, Pakistan has reduced 8 Sikh homes to rubble. Authorities have boosted safety and security measures in these border areas. They have evacuated tens of thousands of civilians from villages in volatile areas. Thousands of people have slept in shelters for a second consecutive night. Officials have set up 24/7 control rooms in several districts of Jammu and Kashmir. India has been giving a befitting response to the attacks from Pakistan. But these attacks highlight the essential difference between India and Pakistan. While New Delhi hit terror havens in Pakistan, Islamabad's response was to target innocent lives across the border.